Hey guys, welcome to Master Programming Tips and Traps MFC programming series. In this video, let's talk about WM underscore timer control in MFC and let's see how to change the background color of a frame window periodically using WM underscore timer control. So let's get started. And to speed things up, I have written one sample application already, which will change the background color of the frame window periodically. So the message map macro for WM underscore timer in MFC is on underscore WM underscore timer. And the appropriate handler for this timer control is on underscore timer. So how do we invoke the timer control is by calling the API set timer. Set timer takes three parameters. The first one is the ID of the timer control. The second one is number of milliseconds. We need to specify the number of milliseconds. How many milliseconds we need to wait to invoke the timer again. And the third parameter is what function needs to be executed when the millisecond elapsed. If I pass null in the third parameter, then by default it will invoke on underscore on timer handler. So here what I have done in the sample application is I have created variables of type color ref to hold the colors, which is used for changing the background color of the frame window. So here I am initializing the color ref array with different values. And I have created one counter variable and I have initialized this counter variable to -1. And inside on timer, what I am doing is I am incrementing this counter variable which I have initialized in the constructor of C framing derived class. And here I am setting the brush color by which color I need to paint the frame window. Brush color, and here in the if I am checking whether my counter is greater than 7. If it is greater than 7, resetting it to 0. So inside this on timer handler, I am calling the invalidate function. So what does invalidate do is like it will manually generate or manually trigger or forcefully we repaint the Windows client area by generating WM underscore paint message. And the handler for WM underscore paint in MFC is on underscore WM underscore paint, and the appropriate handler is on underscore paint. Inside on underscore paint, what I did is I created an instance of a device context class here, which is of type C paint DC. So I need to get the coordinates of the frame window to fill to fill it to fill with colors. So for that, I created one variable of type crect, and how will I get the coordinates of the frame window is by calling the API function get client rect. So now this rect structure will be having the coordinates of the frame window. So we have initialized this brush inside on timer here. So finally I'm calling fill rect to fill the frame window with appropriate color. So this takes two parameters. One is the first parameter is variable of rect structure, and the second one is variable for brush. By using which brush I need to color the frame window. So I will build the solution. My build is successful and I will execute the application. So my frame window now periodically changes the color whenever the timer gets invoked. Hey guys, if you have any doubts, please write your queries in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.